Data is moving beyond the network perimeter. As businesses migrate apps to the cloud and increase the number of devices at their branches, the need for greater bandwidth at the branch becomes crucial. This renders legacy network architectures with MPLS ineffective as it backhauls traffic from the branches to the cloud. This is why distributed enterprises are adopting software-defined wide area networks, SD-WAN, an approach that leverages commodity links and allows you to intelligently manage and control connectivity between branches and cloud instances. But while SD-WAN comes with a ton of benefits, it also brings challenges such as the lack of security, unreliable performance since it leverages the congested internet as your WAN middle, and adds complexity when building your end-to-end SD-WAN infrastructure. With PaloAlto Networks SD-WAN, you can easily deploy an end-to-end SD-WAN architecture with natively integrated world-class security and connectivity. Using Prisma Access as the SD-WAN hub, you can optimize the performance of your entire SD-WAN network, allowing you to minimize latency and ensure reliability, resulting in an exceptional user experience at the branch. Alternately, you can build the hub and interconnect infrastructure yourself using PaloAlto Networks' next-generation firewalls. Regardless of the deployment model, you can manage security and SD-WAN on a single intuitive interface. Hi everyone, I'm Suresh Venkatraman, Director of Product Management here at PaloAlto Networks. We've expanded the capabilities of our market-leading next-generation firewalls to support secure SD-WAN in PAN-OS Release 9.1. Let's take a quick look at how PAN-OS 9.1 delivers on the goal of making it possible to enforce consistent security policies while delivering the best application performance. Let's first start with the goal of a single, consistent set of policies and views to deliver both security and link connectivity. Our customers have relied on Panorama as the central manager for their network deployment, and we have expanded the capabilities of Panorama to provide central management and visibility for your SD-WAN deployment. From the same single pane of glass, you get a comprehensive look at the health of the applications and the links in your SD-WAN deployment. SD-WAN deployments are set up as VPN clusters of hubs and branches. With our SD-WAN monitoring dashboards, you get to see a bird's-eye view of the clusters, hubs, and branches that have seen impacted applications. You can also pivot to see the clusters where links were down, had performance issues, or were operating optimally. Within just 3 clicks, the visibility screens allow you to drill down into any area of interest, such as getting to a specific site that had an issue, and from that site, the specific application that was impacted. Further, the application view also allows you to view the distribution and the specific links on which the application sessions were established, and the link characteristics, latency, jitter, and packet loss for that specific link for that specific time window. This visibility allows you to easily identify applications that do not meet the expectations of the user in terms of network performance and to troubleshoot those links. When combined with our existing ACC visibility screens that showcase the security posture and health of the applications, you have comprehensive visibility into the security and performance of the applications over SD-WAN. Now, let's take a look at how we make the optimal path choices to ensure the application's performance. For example, let's consider a hospital with urgent care branch offices. The doctors communicate with patients and their specialist colleagues in the hospital headquarters through a video conferencing application. This application is sensitive to latency and jitter and has tight requirements for those characteristics. A poor connection could result in critical information not being conveyed correctly and can be very frustrating in important discussions with patients. The nursing staff at the urgent care branch need to download large X-ray files from the main hospital. The X-ray viewer application is sensitive to packet loss. A high packet loss causes the packets to be retransmitted, delaying the rendering of the X-rays. We have made it simple to create the policies that help you define the SD-WAN path selection logic down to the granularity of an application. The network admin can set the path selection criteria where they define the requirements of the latency, jitter, and packet loss for their application, and how sensitive, high, medium, or low, each of these are for that particular application. We ship default values for several common profiles of applications. Let's choose VoIP video for the video conferencing application. Admins can also define how aggressively the links are measured. They affect how quickly the firewall will react to the degradation of the link measurements and move the application to a more suitable available path. Finally, the admins can define a criteria for path selection in the SD-WAN rule to determine how the paths are chosen. So now, when the nursing staff download large files when a video conferencing session is on, any degradation in the link's characteristics is detected, and the video session is automatically transferred over to the next best available path. In scenarios like these, with bandwidth-heavy applications, the network admin could also use the firewall's quality of service (QoS) capabilities to ensure a guaranteed or a maximum amount of bandwidth to overlay the SD-WAN behavior to ensure optimal application performance. Let's also see how we help with the operational aspects of setting up your SD-WAN environments. From Panorama, the admin has to select from the list of onboarded devices and assign them as hubs or branches to VPN clusters. The VPN tunnels between the branches and the hubs will be automatically set up, saving significant time and effort while also minimizing errors in the tunnel setup process. We support zero-touch provisioning to onboard any new firewalls that you have to set up. Once the network admin approves the new firewalls, Panorama will automatically upgrade the firewalls to the desired software version and configure these firewalls. The networking teams will no longer have the challenge of balancing reliable user experience while ensuring consistent security policies. With PanOS 9.1 releases support for SD-WAN, users can get consistent industry-leading security, high performance, and a simple way to deploy and manage SD-WAN. Thanks for watching.